the majority of the wild animals living in Iceland is the birds. There are many kinds of birds living here. Some are the resident birds, and the others are the migrating birds. I'm not going to bore you with the list of bird names, but gonna tell you about 3 different birds. The reason for I have chosen these birds is that because they do have very close relationship with the daily life of Icelanders. The first one is the common eider duck, and I do believe that you have heard of eider duck either from the jacket or the fine duvet. The habitat of the common eider duck is protected by the farmer, and the feathers gathered from the nest is the great source of income for these farmers. It is very easy to spot the common eider duck from far away because there is a strong and distinctive color differences between the males and the females. The females and the juveniles is brown colored, but the males is white and black colored. It is almost like they do have this kind of yin-yang costume, because very distinctive lines separate the white and black colors with the male of eider duck. It is interesting to know that the eider duck feeds on mussels, and they eat it whole mussel at once, and their stomach grinds it and digests it. If the relationship between the common eider duck and the Icelanders are more kind of physical and concrete, logical one, the relationship between the golden plover and the Icelanders are more romantic. The golden plover is a migration bird coming from Europe, and whenever the Icelanders, the first Icelanders, spot the first golden plover came here, it means a start of the spring. So you can well imagine after the long dark winter how much the coming of golden plover is welcomed and celebrated here in Iceland. Last and the third bird that I'm going to tell you is of course, puffin. The puffin is a quite small bird, just about 30 centimeter, and when it spread its wings, it's about 50 to 60 centimeters. Puffin has a very strong appearance, heavy and colorful beak, and white face compared to the black body. Puffin lays just one egg on the coastline of Iceland, and in a burrow. So in burrow, so they make kind of hole into the turf layer and lays egg in it. The main prey of the puffins is the sand eel, and the currently last 3 to 4 years, the whole population of puffins has been decreased so much because of there is a sudden decrease with the population of sand eel. According to the scientists, it is believed that if the sea surface temperature keeps the current level or goes higher, the whole population of puffin in the south and west of Iceland will disappear in 10 to 20 years because that the sand is so sensitive to the temperature rise in the ocean.